Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready to put your knowledge to the universe to the test.
Astro quiz. If you get 10 out of 10 question, you have the mind of an astrophysicist. Let's start with Eastie level. Question 1. What is the name of the star at the center of our solar system? Question 2. Which planet is known as the blue planet because of its vast oceans? Question 3. Which planet in our solar system is famous for its prominent ring system? Question 4. What is the Earth's only natural satellite? Question 5. What do we call a giant ball of hot glowing gas, like our sun, that emits light and heat? Question 6. What is the name of the galaxy our solar system belongs to? Question 7. Which planet is often called the red planet? Question 8. What is the term for a person trained to travel and work in space? Question 9. What do we call the small rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found between Mars and Jupiter? Question 10. What celestial object is known for having such strong gravity that nothing, not even light, can escape it?